Okay, so hello. The name of project is Student Bank. It is totally built on Ethereum and it is powered by Monero cryptocurrency for the transaction purpose. I have already deployed the contract and run it over here. So this is the login page. First, through MetaMask, we need to log into some account, and I have Ganache running in the background from where I have imported some accounts there. So after successfully taking an account from the Ganache local blockchain, the user can log in as a owner, which is the fundraiser, or he can log in as a student. So the student can have the purpose of gaining the funds for their MS degree or foreign degree anywhere, and the fundraisers provide the funds for them. So firstly, I'll log in for the fundraisers. So for logging as a fundraiser, the username should be owner and password should be 123 as set by us. So wow. Already a student to account. So when you try to logging in as an owner, it will not log in. It will show an error. So when you are logging in as an owner, only then it will show you successful login. See, now it is owner. I'll try. So yes, we'll have to wait for a second. So yes, after successful login, it will revert you to this page for the fundraiser, where the fundraiser can see the list of students who have applied for the scholarship. So now looking at the contents which the students have uploaded, which is the resume or a particular file of their project, the fundraiser can view the files, and accordingly he can accept or reject the proposal posted by the students. And after accepting and rejecting, the fundraiser will take the address of the uploader, which is the student, and it will carry out the transaction of sending the money to that particular student. So this was the logging in of the fundraiser. It will take some time. Yes. So it is logged out. Now I'll try with the student account. You can see that the account address and this address is changing when we change the account type. So this is the student dashboard where the student can upload the, whichever file he wants to show to the fundraisers for the application. So after successfully uploading, it will go in this queue for waiting for the fundraisers to see the application and give them the funds or reject their application proposal. So after the fundraiser have decided that this particular student should be given the scholarship, the fundraiser can transfer the money through Monero cryptocurrency. So this is the owner account with the address of the owner, and these are the student accounts. So the owner has a particular balance in XMR. So he can transfer to any of the accounts whichever he wishes. So I'll send some amount. So this is owner right now, and I'll take the account to address now. and send copy it here. So if suppose I want to exchange this amount to the student, so it is creating a transaction. At every interval, it will ask for the password, and yes, so the transaction is successfully sent, and the account balance you will see it is subtracted from the account, and here it will see account who has that many balance which was sent by the owner. So in this way, the fundraiser can send the money to any of the students whichever requires scholarship.
So
So
uploading the file right now, just showing the uploading part. So here
so
you have to type the amount funds you required accordingly. So just type a random number, then choose a file, your resume or any file, and upload it. So as you can see, a successful entry is done out there once refreshing. Yeah, see the waiting number is 4 right now. So a successful uploading is done, and accordingly the fundraisers can check the hash of the file and can give the funds to the student.
okay. Hmm.
So this project is built on a blockchain and Monero, which is a cryptocurrency. So here the students can upload their files for which they require upload their required documents for which they need funds. This project is made by keeping the current COVID guidelines in the mind, where we cannot go out physically to various institutes to submit our documents uh, and get funds. So here the everything is being done online, and since it is based on blockchain, it is secure and immutable. Here the students can upload their files, and accordingly the fundraisers will provide them funds looking at their documents to the deserving student.